Hello viewers from all over the world, welcome back to our channel. Today is Saturday again, and it is that time of the week when we just come back to our charts to see when nothing is happening on them, to see what we did last week, and to also try to see what price is trying to do next. uh Viewers, please, if you are joining us for the first time, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and always comment on whatever content you watch so that we can know the kind of things you would like to see us analyze here, and also whichever way you would prefer to see us present the videos to you. But SIWA Strategy is the one we are using here. We are just explaining the concept here, and I assure you that this is a very powerful tool. It's a powerful trading system you are looking at. All you need to do is to seize this opportunity and make it your own. You can tweak it anyhow to suit your own trading style. You may be a day trader, it can serve you very well. And if you're a swing trader like myself, it can also serve you very well. So, uh, excuse me, what you are looking at is the USDJPY, which we have been in for quite some time now. We have eaten enough. We have eaten a lot, not enough though. Let me put it this way, we have eaten a lot from it already, and we don't mind more. So if you look at the charts, it has been in an uptrend right from when it broke out of this range, and I think this was around November 2020. That is roughly 4 years now. Yes, that's roughly 4 years now. USD has been in an uptrend, but as it keeps going up, look at it. In 2022, 2 years later, it reached a high which it needed to retrace from, and it did that and created a low in 2023, and from then onwards, price has been creating higher highs. So we joined somewhere around here, and we have eaten up to this high, and then in one of our accounts we gave back to the market up to here because we didn't uh, wait for the pullback to be over. This is the same reason why I keep saying, if you're using this SIWA strategy and you don't know how to follow pullbacks, stay out of pullbacks. That way you keep your money in your pocket. Now look at what it did. It has rebalanced here, because look at this high and this low. This low is actually lower, and this is higher than this low. And look at another low here, which is also lower than this low. So it means this is also forming a kind of it's an inverted head and shoulder formation, though this middle, the head is more tilted inwards than the shoulders, and this is a very bullish formation from what I have read or listened to from my forex mentors. So we would expect to see a bullish move from this low to try to create a new high, and that's why we are already in position trying to catch the whole of this in our demo and real accounts. And if you look at what we are saying, whenever you get a clean position and you get into this trade, you can remain in it for a very long time actually. Because if you look at it from monthly, a new candle opened. This new candle that opened will keep attempting to reach this high here. And if you are in this is a long way to go. Let's see how many pips roughly would that be. You see, it's about 800 or 900 pips. This is really huge, and this is coming from the monthly time frame. So imagine if you got a good position from the low of the month of November, and which we expect that this is now the low created here, because after the initial low, which was the upper red horizontal line, price during New York session, there was a news that forced price to dip once again into that low, creating a new low, and that's the second red horizontal line. And right from since that happened, price reversed powerfully to the upside, which you can see here. And considering SIWA strategy, price already gave an entry right from this candle here. If you had taken an entry here, and you would be in profit up until here when market sharply reversed. But like I said, if you take an entry on any time frame, please place your stop loss for risk management. And the way you place stop loss is you have to place it below the low that you entered at. So if you even use the ATR indicator to set your stop loss, then your stop loss would have been somewhere around here. That's 1.5 ATR. I didn't calculate it, but it would have been there. So that even this move that came to create a lower low here from the one created during London session wouldn't have wiped you out of the market. And you'd have been in profit as it reversed powerfully back to the upside. So this is what you are saying, that SIWA strategy is a really powerful strategy. It works on all time frames. We are looking at the 4-hour time frame currently, and if we had entered at this candle, we would have comfortably been in this trade even up to here. But you can see we didn't enter at that candle. We have an entry almost at this position in our real account. We are waiting to see what the market open will do with us. If it continues up, then it means we are at the low of the month, and we shall remain in this trade for a very long time until we approach we approach that weekly high that we saw. And if you ask me, I can see some accumulation going on even on this time frame, which is the 1-hour time frame. Look at this tight range here. This signifies consolidation that leads to an explosive move. We are expecting to see a fast move after this consolidation is broken, and we hope to see it in the direction of the original trend, which is up. Even as we have the US elections drawing closer and closer, we expect to see the US election on the 5th of November, and we need to keep our eyes close to our charts, because anything can happen on the charts due to that very important occasion. We need to also be close to our charts to see if it's in our favor or against us. And also, even without the presidential election, like I said, we are supposed to actually be monitoring our charts around the same 5th of November, as by 7th of November we expect to see a formation on the higher time frame that suggests that price is continuing up or is going to experience a kind of pullback. That has to do with the lunar calendar days, and it's part of the strategies that we are using on our trading desk, but it's not part of SIWA strategy. But even as it's not part of SIWA strategy, why is it not part of it? Because for SIWA strategy, we already have some indicators to guide us. Whatever we are doing in line with what our indicators are telling us. Look at our OBV here. If market were to be open, we'll pay attention here to see if it will be increasing in value. Already we can see MFI is very bullish. It's over 70, and this signifies what? A strong uptrend. So this SIWA strategy is being guided by all these indicators, and we have to look for confluence among them, and also confluence at our at our EMAs for added confidence in whatever move we are about to join. So you can see we are already in this trade. We will see how the week opens. And we'll see how the week opens. If it opens in our favor, then we are good to go. We shall continue remaining in this trade for the next month and even more than a month by God's grace. Although our position may be small, with this kind of confidence, we can repeat the same process in other cycles or other instruments so that we can catch even bigger profits. Like I said, there is no hurry. Just try to fine-tune your strategy, fine-tune your entries, which we also try to discuss in this channel. Uh, Discuss different trade setups, master the entries, and also uh, try to look for different exit strategies whenever we are in a trade. So we will keep this one open, and I think I have so much interest in these USDPS because of the liquidity that you find in them, and that's what I've been trading for almost throughout this year. So I'm still going to be in them until I see a reason to actually stay out. So uh, you can continue following us on this channel to see how we keep updating you on the situation concerning our open trades, both in the demo and real accounts. I wish us happy weekend, and I also wish us more profitable trades taken from higher time frame. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the videos, drop comments in the comment section. Let us see what you would like to see us discuss more. And if you also have suggestions, you can drop there. Please try to keep comments discreet enough, as we do not encourage cyber bullying. Thank you very much. Until we meet in the next one, be safe.